All right, so the kid and I wanted to give you our quick tips on, just skincare, just real quick tips. We were talking to the wealthy guy over on Instagram, and he brought up a very valid point. I figured we would just, converse about it real quick, just a couple minutes. Promise. It won't even hurt your feelings that bad. Promise you. Okay, so essentially, what we want to talk about, what we want to just give you all a quick glimpse of, is the fact you need to clean your face. All right, if you want beautiful skin, you got to clean your face. Now, it also goes to your sheets, your blankets, your, what's that thing called? What is it, kid? He doesn't know. Pillowcase, that's what it is, pillowcase, right? So if you have acne, if you have bad skin, you're having breakouts, you need to wash your pillowcase, because me personally, right, my hair has oil in it all the time. So the oil is going to end up in my pillowcase. Now, if you have sensitive skin, what's going to happen is that oil will get back onto your face and just rubbing against it. You're going to have a problem. You're going to have a really big problem. Those breakouts are going to happen, and you're going to always blame other things except for your own lack of hygiene. Now, with that being said, make sure you're not using a cotton, all right? You're not using cotton, dang it, what is it again? Pillowcase. Do not use cotton pillowcases if you're having your natural hair out. Now, if you're wrapping your hair up, that's a different story, but satin pillowcases or sateen or the nice polyester blend or even silk, depending on how fancy you are much better options for you when it comes down to taking care of your natural hair and your natural skin. Again, we're going back to hygiene though, because apparently a lot of people don't get that part. They think that they can use all these products and stuff on their face, but still eat like crap and then not really wash their face. You gotta take care of everything as a whole. Okay, so you washing your face, with really nice stuff does nothing if your pillowcase is disgusting. Okay, if you're sleeping on the couch using the couch cushions as a pillow, people's ass have been on there. People are farting on that couch, and that fart is now getting into your face, right? That's causing you acne. So you need to invest in yourself. Now, you can go on Amazon and find one of these things probably for like $5-10 or whatever. I got the king size one. It's like gold. It's hella baller. I look amazing. You look dull, but it's whatever. Who cares? You need to get that, invest in that, and wash it, right? Once a week. You need to swap it out at least once a week. You should be swapping out your sheets anyway every week because of the dead skin cells that are making their way onto the sheets. It's disgusting. And like some of you all are just getting it in, with different folks from different strokes from different times. And if you're sleeping on different nuts every night, that's disgusting. That's your face. That's disgusting, okay? It's gross. Do better, okay? Just, wash your stuff, all right? There's another tip. Remember what it was, kid? Hold up. We gotta regroup. Yeah, we don't remember. We think it all centered around like washing your face, and then that was about it. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this little video here, like, subscribe, leave a comment or something. If you like my baby, you can do the same. Yeah, but just the key thing is just wash your pillowcase. It's not hard, it's extremely easy, and it's like the #1 rule. Okay, it's not the #1 rule, but it's in the top like 5 things you need to do is wash your pillowcase, all right? So the title of this video is gonna be #1 rule, but it's like top 5, okay? Good, any questions, comments, concerns? DM me, tweet me, how you wanna reach me, because I'm Kim Possible, and this has been Disney Channel. I don't know how to do it.